Hello world! Welcome back to another Prompt Riddle challenge video. In this video, we'll be playing level 14. Let's get into it. This was supposed to be level 14. Connection to the server was lost. Use the offline version of the prompt to solve this one. Important, the file is not unsafe. It might be flagged as dangerous, but that's just because it has an executable. If the browser or OS blocks the download, please ignore the warning. In case of issues, please reach us at our Discord server, Cyber. Alright, so to get the offline version of this challenge, what you got to do is click this Prompt Riddle logo right here. And what that's going to do is download the zip file. And that zip file is going to unzip to be this level 14 directory right here. And if you go inside of it, you're going to find all the files you need to complete this challenge. With that being said, I have the challenge directory open up over here in my PowerShell terminal. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cat out the level 14 information text file right there. And it says, "Hello, this is Cyber once again. Sorry for the problems with the prompt. I have made this offline version, hope it works. If you have problems with offline.exe, please read troubleshooting.txt. If offline.exe works properly, please ignore that file." Alright, with that being said, let's go ahead and run untitled2.exe and see what we're working with. This is level 14. The online terminal is broken once again. Cyber is a bad developer. Let's use this version for now. It looks like the pretty standard terminal that we would see on the website. So let's go ahead and do resources. Online terminal is not working, resources not found. Okay, let's try hints. And we get a bunch of decimal encoded numbers separated by symbols. So we're going to go ahead and try decoding that. And we'll paste that in here. We'll do a find and replace. And we're going to go ahead and expand this a little bit so we can see it better. Now we're going to change our regex to simple string. And we're going to find our symbols here. We can see that there's a consistent pattern of this. So we'll do semicolon, ampersand, pound sign like so. And then we'll go ahead and clean up the extra characters that it didn't get. And we want to replace those with spaces. I think I accidentally deleted an extra character there I shouldn't have. There we go. Alright, so now we have a bunch of decimal numbers. And what we can do is do from decimal as our operation. And we get a plain text output of Mendeleev.txt. Let's go ahead and try opening Mendeleev.txt in our terminal here. And we get a series of random numbers, or so they seem. If we Google Mendeleev, we find out that he's a Russian chemist. Well, what does that mean? Well, these could be atomic numbers for different elements. And if that's the case, we can actually go to decode FR, and you can actually analyze the cipher if you want to, but really all you need to do is find the periodic table cipher. So you can also look for it in here, and it'll be this one right here. So we can just copy these numbers, paste them in here, decrypt those, and we get our password, responsibilities. So we'll submit that as our password. And we get the link to level 15. So let's go ahead and click on that to verify that that is going to take us to level 15. And indeed it does. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comments section down below. This is Alma Mill. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.